cleaning boat sails the ocean to clean up the trash. Cleaning boat passes the lighthouse tower. Dolphins.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily,
Sea turtle.
merrily, life is but a dream.
Mountain.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Volcano.
Merrily, 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 life is but a
Cliff.
dream.
Cruise ship. Pirate ship. Motorboat. Cargo ship.
Row, row, row your boat gently down
Jet
the
ski.
stream. Merrily, 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 merrily,
Cleaning
life
boat
is
found a
but
lot of
dream.
trash in the sea.
Life is but
Look,
a dream.
there are sea turtles that entangled in plastic bag and nets. We must save sea turtles. Thomas jumps from the boat and swam to save sea turtle, but it's hard for him to save sea turtle alone. Fortunately Noah, Andy, and Lily help Thomas to save sea turtle. Finally sea turtle can be free again. Before going back to the boat, Thomas picked up trash in the sea. Likewise Noah, Andy, and Lily. Thomas and his friends are happy because the ocean already clean. They go back to the boat and sail back to the beach. But there is a lot of trash on the beach too. Celine collects trash in the sand with tongs. Rudy collects trash in the water with nets. Finally the beach is clean. Friends, we must keep the environment clean by throwing garbage in the trash bin according to its type. Green trash bin for organic waste are used as compost material such as leaves, used vegetables etc. It can speed up composting. Compost is used to fertilize the soil, so that vegetables and fruits grow well. Yellow trash bin for non-organic waste such as used plastic, used glass, plastic mineral water packaging, etc. It easier to use as a recycling craft or recycled at the factory. Red trash bin for B3. Hazardous and toxic materials such as glass trash, used detergent, mosquito coil, etc. So it's not harmful to others. Blue trash bin for paper. It simplified the recycling process for handicrafts. Let's keep the environment clean and healthy.